There's something about the early morning rails, when the sun's just starting to rise and the rumble of steel cuts through the quiet. Today we're chasing eastbound power, Norfolk Southern and BNSF moving strong through Montgomery and Oswego. Let's get rolling. First up, an eastbound Norfolk Southern freight cutting through Montgomery in the early morning before dawn. 2 Norfolk Southern units up front and 2 BNSF locomotives right behind them. The mix of black horses and orange war bonnets, you don't see that every day. Next up, another eastbound in Montgomery, a BNSF intermodal bathed in front of a fire sky. The whole scene feels alive. You can almost hear the rhythm of the day beginning. The fire sky reminds me of Lamentations 3:23. His mercies are new every morning, every sunrise, another chance to see God's goodness in motion. Now we're over in Oswego, another eastbound BNSF freight rolling steadily through the western edge of town. Long mixed freight, pure horsepower echoing as it roars down the tracks. That deep rumble never gets old. There's something timeless about the sound of freight cars stretching down the main. It's America in motion. We'll wrap up today's action with one more eastbound in Oswego, a BNSF intermodal rumbling toward Montgomery. Smooth, efficient, and unstoppable. Genesis 8:22 says, as long as the earth endures, seedtime and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night will never cease. The rhythm of these rails is a reminder. God's order holds steady season after season. Thanks for watching another Freight Train Friday. If you enjoyed this morning rail action, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and click right here to roll into the next run. Until next time, keep your eyes on the rails and your heart on the Lord.